Hi everybody, I'm Jerry and I was just sent this super cool car wash kit. What makes it cool? Well, first of all, the myriad of pieces they send with this kit. I want to kind of burn through a few of those real quick. We got a little microfiber scrubby hand tool here that actually has microfiber on the one side and these little fingers on the other side, which is great, so you can stick your hand in there and hand wash your car. They also send you with a lot of other tools for detailing. So you've got a detail brush here. You could even use this wire brush like on a barbecue grill. You got a nylon brush, stiff bristle brush. You get vent cleaning pieces. These will actually clean out your vents. So if you got those hard to reach places, you've got these microfiber pieces here that can come off. You can wash them, stick them back on there and allow you to pinch and clean out your vents with those. Detailing brushes. You can never have enough detailing brushes for doing the inside of your car. I mean, these things come individually packaged in here, but these things actually have really nice bristles on here that you can actually get in there and really do some detailing on the inside of your car. That is not going to do any damage. They're nice little nylon bristles there, which is really super cool. And you've got several different sizes of those. You also get a nice drying cloth. Two drying cloths that are really cool because these are also microfiber, two-sided, really super cool to have along with all the rest of this stuff as well. But the big Chiba key here is this piece here. Now this is actually an extension cleaning tool that actually can lock into a certain degree here. We can actually lock this into a 15 degree so that you have a 15-degree angle lock on that if you want to, or have it be a flexible head. And in addition to that, you also have the ability to extend this aluminum fiber pole here and actually get quite a bit of reach. So if you're going to be doing like cleaning on an RV or something like that, you have the ability to be able to do the reach. This also disconnects really simply here at the top by pushing a button. Pop this off. They send you with a replacement head there as well, so you have an additional one. That way, if you're going to be getting in here, getting yourself some nice suds going on here and wanting to wash a vehicle, this actually works really well for saving time, like with your back, so you're not having to bend over as hard. You actually have the ability to get right up in there, get nice in detail, and this little fingers on this will provide nice cleaning power that should work good for any car, RV, boat, or pretty much anything that needs a good scrub.